Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook business account and start running ads for your SMMA clients. This is the basic setup every agency owner must know. Let's get started. Step 1. Create your Facebook business account. First, go to business.facebook.com. Click Create an Account. Enter your business name, your real name, and your work email. This business account is where you will manage clients, pages, ad accounts, and pixels, everything in one place. Step 2. Add or create a Facebook page. Inside your business manager, go to Business Settings, Pages. Here you have 3 options: add an existing page, request access to a client's page, or create a brand new page. If you're running an SMMA, you'll usually request access to the client's page. Step 3. Create an ad account. Next, go to Accounts, Ad Accounts. Click Add, create a new ad account. Choose your time zone, currency, and who will be paying for ads. If you're running ads for clients, they should add their own payment method, not yours. Step 4. Set up pixel and events. Now go to Data Sources, Pixels. Create a new pixel for your client. This pixel tracks website activity so you can optimize ads. Then install it using partner integrations like WordPress, Shopify, or manually copy the code. Step 5. Run your first campaign. Go back to Ads Manager and click Create. Choose your objective based on what your client wants: leads, sales, traffic, or engagement. Set your targeting, daily budget, and ad creatives. Upload your images or videos, write your ad copy, and select the Facebook page you want the ad to run from. Step 6. Publish and monitor. Click Publish and your ad goes into review. After it's approved, use Ads Manager to track results like leads, clicks, and conversions. This is how you show your SMMA clients real performance. And that's it. Now you know how to create a Facebook business account and start running ads for SMMA. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment what tutorial you want next.